Hello there and welcome back. In this video, we're going to be going over the basic properties of all cancer cells. First up on the list is cancer cells are known for ignoring inhibitory growth signals. These are signals that tell the cancer cell, to stop doing what it's doing. In this case, it's going to be regarding apoptosis. Apoptosis is the process at which cells would kill themselves in order to maintain some structure or process in the body. So if we had a lot of normal cells here that are going to be undergoing apoptosis, the cell suicide, they're going to be releasing some signals in the environment to kill all other remaining cells in the direct immediate area. This could be for wound healing or embryonic growth. Now the cancer cell, however, is going to be ignoring all of these signals and continuing to divide. It's going to ignore the other cells, telling it to undergo apoptosis and destroy itself. It wants to keep on living and keep on dividing. Cancer cells also can grow in the absence of stimulatory growth signals. Now, in a normal cell, there are going to be signals in the environment telling it to or when to grow, when to divide, and when to proceed through the various cell cycle stages. Cancers ignore any signals. It does not require them at all. It can grow, divide, do everything on its own, which is very problematic for the body. Another key aspect about cancer cells is their capability of continuous division. Normal cells can only divide for at least 50 times or so before they die. They have a limit, and this limit is due to telomeres. Telomeres are just things at the end of chromosomes, pieces of DNA, that would shorten over time, and once they get short enough, they're going to cause the cell to commit suicide, to destroy itself. Now, cancer cells have a specific enzyme called telomerase. Now, telomerase is going to be extending the chromosomes. The telomeres that are shortening is going to be continuously extending it, and thus allowing continuous, infinite, possibly, divisions of cancer cells. They have no actual limit. They're titled quote-unquote immortal cells. One last property of cancer cells is their ability to have more than the proper amount of chromosomes. They have aneuploidy, which is just stating it has the wrong number of chromosomes or the abnormal amount. Normal cells, when they undergo mitosis, if they have the incorrect amount of chromosomes, they will undergo apoptosis and kill themselves because they would otherwise be damaging the surrounding cells and the integrity of the organism. However, if a cancer cell has too many chromosomes or something, it's going to be ignoring itself and just continually dividing. It doesn't care about its own state. Now, to go over the basic properties of cancer cells, they are known to ignore inhibitory growth signals, meaning they are able to totally avoid any of the cells telling them to commit suicide or destroy themselves. They are able to grow without the stimulatory signals from other cells. They do not need the body to help it grow. They can do it on their own. Cancer cells are able to continuously divide without any sort of limit. Normal cells are able to only do it maybe 20, 40, 50 times at most. And lastly, cancer cells are known to have the wrong number of chromosomes, which is very problematic for the body. It's very important to have the correct number, or else you're going to be dealing with improper proteins being created, mutations, and deformities. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we're going to be going over the causes of cancer. And I hope you are having a very nice day.